Hello everyone, I got this package in the mail today. Let's take a look and see what's inside. So one of our vendors looks like they sent us 3 hockey pucks. These are actually not hockey pucks. Later in this video, we're going to reveal exactly what these are. Oh, this is Matt Hoots with Radon Green, and I want to thank Clean Vapor for joining us on the 1920s Makeover ATL. Behind me, you can see that we've got a foundation wall and it's had lots of water coming through it. So Clean Vapor is going to help us not only with dealing with a continuous vapor barrier underneath the slab and around the foundation, they're also going to put a radon mitigation system in. And the reason that radon is so important on this house, because we are in the heart of Atlanta. Atlanta has some of the highest concentrations of radon in the state of Georgia. Now, radon is the #2 leading cause of cancer in the US behind cigarette smoking. Completely avoidable, and you need to make sure that you test your house for radon so you can make sure that you don't have radon, and if you do have radon, you put a system in to get rid of it. Since we're putting a completely new slab in the basement and also doing lots of repairs on the foundation, now is the time to put a good radon system in. This house is very leaky. We're going to do a test for the radon this weekend. However, it's so leaky, I'm not even sure we're going to get accurate results. The thing is, when you build a passive house or an earthcraft house and you make the building envelope so tight that any of those gases from the soil, the radon and other harmful gases, when they come into the house, if you don't have a lot of air exchanges because you made the house tight, those nasty gases get stuck inside the house. So our goal is to block out all of the nasty gases from the soil, the foundation, wall, and roof, have good ventilation, and the way to block out some of those, especially from the slab, is partnering with a company like Clean Vapor that can not only block the radon from coming through, if it does get trapped underneath the plastic, we're going to design a custom system for this where it goes all the way through the house in a pipe outside through the roof. And Clean Vapor created this custom video to explain how their system works and why it's so important in not only residential but also commercial structures.
I was there in 1985 on EPA's very first vapor intrusion site. Fast forward 30 years, we've had a piece in most of the standards documents for both radon and VOCs, including being the primary author of both NAVFAC vapor intrusion documents for existing building and new construction mitigation. We've fixed combined residential and commercial properties, over 11,000 properties. My philosophy in business over the total 30 years, and it's served us amazingly well, is we have 2 things that we need to do. We need to take care of the building correctly, and we need to take care of the people who are in it. Because ultimately, the purpose of a vapor intrusion mitigation system is to be protective of human health and the people who are in those buildings. So we do a total building solutions approach. Another cool thing is that we have a patent on discharging soil gas relative to regulatory standards based on the vapor dynamics technology. So we have a lot of things that we can offer our clients right out of the box. We have the experience, we have the patents, we have the technology, and we have the right energy efficient solution for our clients.
If you'd like to learn more about Clean Vapor, click the link below to see their profile on the Radon Green directory. This is only one part of the tour. I've got a playlist in the description below where you can see all the different rooms in the house as we talk about some of the existing conditions, design challenges, and solutions that we've come up for each space in this house. Thanks again, and see you guys next time.